Welcome back to my channel, G Squad, and thank you so much because we just hit 200 subscribers. Yes, that's right, we hit 200 subscribers over the last couple days. Thank you so much for clicking that button. I appreciate you guys so much. The growth of the channel is just really it makes it so much more fun to know that you guys are there watching me and encouraging me and enjoying my work. So thank you so much for clicking that big red button and making it gray. Thank you so much for watching all my videos. Thank you for just being such an awesome G Squad. Okay guys, before we get too far ahead here, I am gonna go ahead and let you know we are working with Modelones today, and this is just a really pretty medium purple color. I don't know, you might call it kind of a lilac-y color. And then we're coming in with this greenish sort of color. It's green verging almost into the blue range, but it's really kind of a cool icy sort of green, and I think it looks great with the purple. And we're gonna do another treatment to this before we head into our last step. That last step is a doozy though, so get ready, get ready. We are gonna take it super blingy today to celebrate 200 subscribers. And I am actually inspired on this set by an Instagrammer. I do not have their name right in front of me, but I will put it in the description and I will put it on the screen right now. Somewhere around on the screen you'll see that. I am coming in with some top coat because we are going to add a little something to this color. You'll see in just a second. Just as soon as we finish this top coat and get it all nice and cured. I love these colors so much. Let me know in the comment section below, what are your favorite color combos? I want to hear about it because maybe it'll inspire me to do something cool and new. There's a little bit of something in that one. You see me trying to get it out. There's a little fuzzy right there. See it? Oh my goodness. Gotta get that fuzzle out. Little fuzz, little fuzz. Now we're gonna go into the next step, and that's gonna be chrome. And I'm using chromes that match the colors. We're using green chrome on the green, although once you put it on, it's kind of got a little bit of a pink shift to it. So that was pretty fun, I thought. And then on the purple nails, we are gonna use the purple chrome. And normally you would use these on black, but I really wanted to have that chrome effect, but have it on these lighter colored nails. I just thought it would be a really pretty effect, and I have to say I'm not upset with it. And I'm gonna say that I'm working on something I think I'm gonna do on myself that may actually incorporate the chrome on colors sort of vibe, because I really like how it came out and I really can't wait to wear it myself. Now we're just going to come in and add a little bit of base coat. We're just laying this down to protect that chrome finish and also to just smooth out the nail. Okay, we've got our bling out, and now I'm gonna clean the sticky layer off of these nails just so that I don't get any on myself while I'm working with the bling. It's time to bling it, guys. Now, normally I would lay down a clear gel or poly gel down, but it's just a demo set, so I'm not gonna worry about the adhesion too much. I'm just gonna come in and show you the design. we are going to come in and make a tiny little lizard. And we're going to start by making a flower shape. And I do want to mention this is kind of a flower shape because we'll get to it in a minute. Something happened and you're not going to get to see the rest of the bling placement. So I'm really sorry about that, you guys. But this would have ended up being such a long video if I'd included that. So what we're going to do is just show you how this really cute little guy gets made, this little lizard. And first you start with that circle, then I'm going to add his neck and his body. The two little blue gems, those are his eyes. And then we're just going to finish making his little head shape, and then we're going to start with his tail. And then after the beads, we're going to surround him, or rather the gems, we're going to surround him with little green micro beads, because that's going to help finish off the shape of him and really completely give him that full shape. And that's right, guys, you're not gonna get to see the flower nail because my phone battery died. So as you can see on the ring finger, I made a little flower chain, and the flower chain is really the same exact thing as the dinosaur. I almost called him a dinosaur. I guess he is kind of a baby dinosaur. As the lizard's body. I just, a larger middle one, and then 6 smaller ones surrounding it, creating a little flower. And I used the same green micro beads to make a little chain between them. So it's super, super simple, but I thought I was recording it. I was not recording it, so I'm sorry about that. So I did include this one little bling placement here on the middle finger. The pinky finger gets exactly the same treatment. And our thumbnail is similar to the ring finger there with the flowers, but it only has 2 flowers. So almost the same, but a little bit different. And I'm just getting those micro beads placed. And this is the finished set, you guys. Let me know in the comment section if you enjoy this one as much as I do. I think my little lizard is so, so cute. Love him so much. There is that thumbnail I was telling you about. Thank you again so much for watching, and thank you for helping me get to 200 subscribers. I'm so excited. Thank you guys again. We will see you next time. Bye.